eSIM technology offers a modern alternative to physical SIM cards. It's a digital SIM card built directly into your iPhone, eliminating the need for physical card swapping. Before activating your eSIM with Cricket Wireless, you need to ensure your iPhone meets specific requirements. First, your iPhone must be running iOS 16.2 or later. Second, your device must be unlocked and eSIM compatible. You can bring your own unlocked iPhone to Cricket Wireless. Once you've purchased a Cricket plan, you'll receive a QR code via email. This QR code contains all the information needed to activate your eSIM. Here's what the activation process looks like on your iPhone. After scanning the QR code, your iPhone will guide you through the setup process. The process involves 3 simple steps: activating the eSIM, connecting to the network, and completing the cellular setup. Your iPhone handles most of the technical details automatically. Once completed, your iPhone will be connected to Cricket's network using the eSIM. This modern approach eliminates the need for physical SIM cards and provides instant activation. Sometimes during eSIM activation, you might encounter unexpected issues. The most common problem is receiving a persistent notification about Cricket eSIM setup, even when you don't have a Cricket account. The primary solution is to reset your iPhone's network settings. This clears any conflicting network configurations that might be causing the persistent notification. If resetting network settings doesn't resolve the issue, you should contact Apple support or Cricket Wireless customer service for further assistance. Before troubleshooting, always ensure your device is unlocked and compatible with Cricket's eSIM service. Use the Cricket Compatibility Checker on their website to verify your device supports eSIM technology. Cricket Wireless offers multiple customer service options for additional support. You can reach them through phone, live chat, text messaging, or social media platforms for comprehensive assistance with your eSIM activation.